So here is Soda Natural Beauty Camera. So you can just tap and install it. So this is one of those apps where you can just basically use selfie camera, the easy and effortless beauty camera, the perfect combination of filters and makeup. Don't worry anymore about which makeup and filters used. Capture the most trendy styles with just one touch. Beauty effects applied in real time. Take the perfect selfie with no need for further edits. So that's basically the idea. So you can try AI hair, you can erase unnecessary parts, you can try high resolution filters, makeup, 3D beauty, video beauty. So all of things like that, you can just try it out. And yeah, so that's the idea. And then, for example, you can see that $40 per year. 7-day free trial subscription. So yeah, a lot of pop-ups. So you can just try to take photos. I don't know, there are a lot of, so you can just take it. So you just, and then there are all of these filters like high resolution mode, which you can use. There's standard mode. You can change style and apply filters. You can edit in here. There's a beauty filters. There are just normal filters, layout, ratios, and then you can also find all these templates and styles in this app, how you want to adjust your selfie. And then here you just have it just like that in the all of the trending beauty lab and trending details in here. So yeah, that's basically what it is. That's the app. Try it out.